Hello everyone. Welcome to our English conversation lesson. Today, we're heading to the market. Get ready to learn practical phrases for shopping. Let's dive into the vibrant atmosphere of a local market. Our first step is learning how to greet a vendor and ask about prices. It's a crucial part of market shopping. Customer, excuse me, how much are these apples? Vendor. They are $2 a pound. Customer. Okay, thank you. Next. Let's practice asking about specific items, like their origin or ripeness. This helps you choose the best produce. Customer. Are these organic? Vendor. Yes, they are all locally grown and organic. Customer, great. Do you have any ripe avocados? Vendor, let me check. Yes, here are some perfect ones. Now, let's learn how to specify the quantity you want and confirm the total price. This is essential for any purchase. Customer, I'd like 2 pounds of apples, please, and 3 avocados. Vendor, all right. That will be $6 for the apples and $4 for the avocados. Total is $10. Customer, can I pay with card? Vendor, sorry, cash only. In some markets, you might even try a friendly negotiation. It's a fun way to engage with local culture. Customer, is there any discount if I buy more? Vendor, for you, I can give you a small discount. Vendor, how about $9 for everything? Customer, perfect. Thank you. Markets offer more than just produce. Let's explore other interesting items you might find and how to ask about them. Customer, these flowers are beautiful. How much is this bouquet? Vendor, that's $15. Customer, do you have smaller ones? Vendor, yes, we have smaller bouquets for $10. Finally, let's practice paying and saying goodbye. These polite exchanges are important for a pleasant shopping experience. Customer, here's $10. Vendor, thank you. Here's your change and your items. Vendor, have a good day. Customer, you too. Goodbye. That was a successful market trip. Let's quickly review the key phrases we learned today. Remember phrases like, how much are these? Are these organic? I'd like, and cash only. Don't forget, is there any discount? Thank you, and goodbye. Practice these next time you visit a market. Keep practicing your English, and you'll be a confident market shopper in no time. See you in our next lesson.